Hi everyone, today I want to show you my notebooks and my sketchbook. First up, I'd like to show you this one, made with polymer clay and a cat texture sheet, which shows some funny cats with hats and ties. And the clay I used was actually scrap clay from other projects, which I mushed together. Then I embellished it with lots of different glitters and powders to make it look more interesting. It's also been varnished, and the book itself has a loop for a pen and a bookmark. The size is A6 and the paper is quite thick. The exact description of this sketchbook is on my website, and it's currently on sale for £35. Then we've got something for sloth lovers. This took quite a while to make, and it's one of my favorites. So this is the back. Again, I can't remember exactly how many pages this one has. It has ruled pages, I think about 120 or something. And this sketchbook is currently available for sale at £45, I think. Yeah, £45. And the final one, it's the same kind of notebook, and it has a sea. Under the sea it's called. So we've got starfish and shells and a seahorse. That took me a while to think about that word. I'm not very good at presenting, am I? Anyway, yeah, made with polymer clay. Also, again, it took a while to make, and I think it's quite cute. And all these would make really nice Christmas gifts. This one is also available for £45, yeah. So they're all on sale. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye.